another recipe for all of you guys. Today's recipe is a surprise. I'm going to let you guess it when I say the ingredients. Let's get started. I am going to say the ingredients now. 1 cup of pancake mix, 1 egg, half cup of milk, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and a few Oreos. Did you guess the recipe? Yes, that's correct, deep fried Oreos. I'm going to put these ingredients into a bigger bowl. Let's mix it now. I am going to dip the Oreos in the batter, then fry them. Make sure you have adult supervision. They are finally done. I'm now going to do the taste test. They're very good. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.